Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and really great things come in small packages, so let's see what we got. Now, I did try to promise the Brit that I would only order yarn if I needed it for a specific project. I'm going to try. I really am trying to work through my stash. I really am. But when WeCrochet sends out an announcement, a sale on some of their amazing tweed. And lately I have been a tweed freak. I have been a tweed tweeder. I love it. And recently I was making this project here. I'll show you this scarf. And I know there's a lot of yarn hanging off and I have to finish it in their stroll tweed. And it's this. Sorry, there's yarn hanging here. And I was like, oh, I love working with, you know, when you start working with the yarn and you're like, I love the way this feels. I love how the tweed is showing up. I just love, it's supposed to be a sock yarn. And I was like, no, but I have really thoroughly enjoyed working with this yarn. And I thought, gosh, what is it? And because it came in a sample pack, I wasn't really clear as to what it was. I ordered the sample pack, not the yarn, so I wasn't really sure what yarn it was, right? But then I saw they were doing a sale, and you know what? They're always doing sales. Lion Brand, always doing sales. WeCrochet, always doing sales. Premier Yarn, always doing sales. So just wait for the sale. But when it hits and you know it's something you want, dive in and get that stuff, friends. So they were offering a sale on their City Tweed yarn, which is a DK weight. So I jumped in and I was like, oh my gosh, this is it. Then I did a little bit more research and I was like, you know what? It's not it. It's close, but it's not it. The City Tweed, but I thought I have to get this. And there's a little funny story. So the City Tweed, they were offering it, it's $5 a ball. Normally they're like $6 a ball, I think is what it was. But these were coming in at $5 and they're 123 yards and they are a weight of a 3. They're 55% merino wool, 25% Angora, and 20% dongle tweed. So the little dongle, the 20% is this little guy's floating around in here. The rest of it is wool and Angora, which for, you know, $5 for a ball of that is not a bad deal. So I was like, I'm going to make a sweater. Then I refrained. I pulled back because I was like, you know what? That's going to be a lot. And when I realized it wasn't this yarn that I'd been using, this was silkier. It's more of a knit feel, like more of like it's a fingering weight. And I was like, oh no, it's not that. But did a little bit of research and guess what? That was on sale too. So only in specific colors. But in the meantime, I ended up getting this City Tweed in these colors, which I thought are gorgeous. And I'm going to make like maybe a cowl. It's funny. There is a pattern that I've been eyeing for a really long time on WeCrochet. It's called the Hummingbird Cardigan. All right. Now recently I just did something like this with WeCrochet. There was this yarn that I absolutely loved, and I didn't realize how much I love it until I realized I had 4 balls in my stash, which meant I loved on it 4 separate times because it was in 4 different orders. Oy vey. So I have to keep better track. And I was kind of like, you know, WeCrochet, you should have known that I bought this 4 times, but they don't know this thing. So there's this Hummingbird Cardigan that I've been swishing on, loving it. And here's a picture of it here. And they use the City Tweed. And I thought, I love that. So I added that pattern to my order with these yarns. But I decided I didn't want to buy all of it because it was going to end up being expensive to make the cardigan. But what it calls for, it's a crochet cardigan, and then it's got granny squares along the top, which is what this is. So I might end up using another yarn. I have a lot of WeCrochet. All I need to do is find a DK weight, and then maybe I'll make it, you know, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, I got this. Would you believe that once you order a pattern from WeCrochet, or a lot of these companies, they have a library, and that pattern goes into your library? I bought the Hummingbird Cardigan 3 other times. 3 other times. And the thing is here's the thing, is it lists all your patterns like this in the order that you place the order. You would think that it would say Hummingbird Cardigan quantity 4, but it doesn't. So I had to go through all my patterns. I'm like, oh my God, I ordered it there. And then 2 pages later, it was there. I'm like, so I have four copies, digital copies of this hummingbird cardigan. What does that tell me? It tells me I need to pay better attention with this, do a little bit more research, which I will now. I didn't realize before. And number two, what it really tells me is, I guess I really love that cardigan. So now I'm gonna have to make it. And I'm gonna make it with this and hopefully something else. We'll just have to figure that out. But the stroll tweed, the one that I fell in love with, was on sale, but only in 2 specific colors. Now those I can buy because it comes with a lot more yardage, so I don't need as much to make something. This is called Dill Heather, one of the colors I loved. It's 231 yards per ball. It is a fingering weight, so it is a weight of a 1. Actually, is that a fingering weight? I would have said that's more of a lace, but it's a weight of a 1. It's very light. It is 65% fine superwash merino wool, 25% nylon, and 10% dongle tweed. But isn't it gorgeous? So this color is called Dill Heather. You know, I'm just a beast for heathered colors right now, and apparently tweeds. I think here's the thing. I've always gone for color, and maybe what I'm also looking for is something that's interesting, right? And so these, I don't have a lot of solids, and I need to just go for the solids. But I think I have a hard time doing that. So I think what's happening is this is triggering my little artistic flair. The tweed in here, the dongle tweed, that little bit of pop, that interesting is getting me. And the fact that it is a heathered color, which is not a true bright, solid, whatever. It gives a little bit more zhuzh, a little bit more interest to it. This is called Fjord Heather, and I love this color. And I'm going to make probably like a t-shirt kind of like not, you know, like a shirt, not a sweater kind of a thing. Because, so I was able to get, and these were all $5 a piece. Now they might have been a little bit more than that originally, but I got 5 of these stroll tweed. It says fingering weight. It does say it right there on the label, but it is a weight of a 1. So it's light fingering weight, but that's okay. Maybe a sports weight's a 2. Anyways, it's very thin, but it's going to be lovely, lovely, lovely. Then I got 5 in this Fjord, which this blue color gets me. I love, love, love this blue color. So I got 5 balls of that. I mean, just looking at this all on my table is gorgeous. Like if I put all these colors together, these just make me happy, right? Look at that. So it's all the colors, but with a little bit of zhuzh going on with it. It's just wonderful. So this is a weight of a 3, and these are weights of 1. So I can't even put these together with that. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but we'll figure it out. But the hummingbird cardigan calls for the tweed, and I think they use this as the main color for the hummingbird cardigan. And then they use all the other colors, and it is lovely. It's really, really beautiful. So I'm going to do something along those lines. Anyways, when you place an order, and I think it was $75 or something, they give you a free ball of Dilly Dally. And the name just makes me happy. The name Dilly Dally is just funny. I love the name. This is a DK weight. This color is called Bracken. It's 109 yards. It is 70% Pima cotton, 20% bamboo, and 10% hemp. And let me tell you, this stuff is soft, lovely, beautiful. Now with one ball, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I do think I have this maybe in some other colors. This would be great to make like a shopping bag or a purse or something like that, because it's going to be really soft and durable because of the cotton and the bamboo, but it's not going to stretch. So if you're going to make yourself a shopping bag, you know, like a market bag, you want to use something that's going to have some durability, that it's not going to stretch. So that's why acrylics are not always the best thing to use for those kind of yarns, or anything that's going to have a lot of drape to it. But the bamboo would give it drape, but the cotton is going to kind of hold it all together. Anyways, I dig the color. It could even be like a kerchief for your hair. It could be a fun little kerchief around your neck. Could be just about anything. Anyways, but this was a little freebie that they gave me. I'm excited. So I'm probably going to end up doing that hummingbird cardigan somewhere. And this guy, all the patterns they give you in this is socks. And you know how I feel about a really nice, fun yarn in a sock. Don't stick it in my stinky shoes. I want to do something really fun and fancy with it. So I'm looking at my yarn stash thinking, is there anything over there that I could use this with? I don't know. We're going to figure it out. Anyway, so this was my mini haul from WeCrochet. Now, I don't have any yarns currently that I want to buy. but you know, it's not even noon. So what are you going to do? I am getting a little bit more of the palette yarn by the Salsa Heather color, because that was the yarn that I bought the 4 balls and like, I didn't know. And then I ended up making this, I'm making this beautiful filet crochet sweater, and I needed a couple more balls of it. So, but I'll show you that one in another video. But I just had to show you, I was like, all right, transparency, these 2 boxes came in, but I don't got no more boxes coming in. Sad. Sad. No more yarn coming in. What is a girl to do? I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. All right. Well, listen, if you've just joined us, I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you so much. I love that you're here. I've been waiting for you, and we have so much fun, and we're having more and more fun. We're doing even some more giveaways. I've got some book giveaways that are coming up, hopefully. So stay tuned. Tell your friends about us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know like what's coming up, what I'm doing. And we're here doing lives every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Just come and join me for an hour. I'm sitting right over here in that chair. Super fun. I've been working on all these things so you can see what the world, what is she going to do with this yarn? You'll see if you watch the lives. And if you can't make it, I understand, because people have to work. This is kind of my job now. This is sort of my work. But just watch me on the replay. Then that's fun too. It's like you were there. All right. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.